This is a how-to for SDI's E, an artificial intelligence program. Be sure to see the basic how-to before watching this video. This time, I'm covering how to use E in the console or batch mode. You might want to use the console mode because it is faster than the graphical user interface. Also, the console mode of E can easily be incorporated into scripts or batch files. Again, we'll be trying to find the area of a circle given its radius. The console program is called gf.exe in Windows and just gf in Linux or Mac. It lives in the same folder as the GUI program. GF stands for gofast because it doesn't have the windowing overhead. To run gofast, start a DOS shell or Linux terminal and navigate to a data folder. In Windows, we'll cd to c:\program files SDIE circle. In Linux, we'll cd to home folder E circle. Now we run gofast from E's home folder, optionally supplying a seed for the random number generator. In Windows, ../gf.exe 0. In Linux, ../gf space 0. One difference in the console mode is that it stops when any of the independent solutions solve the problem. In Windows, notice that ecosystem number 2 has solved its problem with r/pi_r. In Linux, notice that the gofast found the r/pi_r solution, and it also found a pi_r² solution. E does not distinguish between these two solutions because they both solve the problem with only 3 instructions. Don't worry about losing the solutions. They are saved in pseudocode and in Python. In Linux, let's look at the end of g0.out. Notice the 0 for the random number seed. In Windows, let's look at one of the Python programs. If you do lose the program output, you can recreate it by rerunning gofast with the same seed as before. We'll run gofast with seed of 0. Now we'll rerun gofast with a seed of 2. Notice the output. Finally, we rerun with a seed of 0 and we get exactly the same output as before. If you do incorporate gofast into a script or batch file, you can specify when gofast terminates by specifying elapsed time or an area criterion. Watch for the next how-to on configuring E. Thanks for watching.